Today we're looking at this 10 keyless 80% membrane gaming keyboard, which has got RGB lighting. It is a value keyboard, but we're going to see how it actually holds up. Introducing the Marvo Scorpion K607, a compact 80% 10 keyless gaming keyboard designed for gamers who value a minimalist desk setup. The keyboard combines aesthetics with functionality, making it a desirable piece of hardware for value-conscious gamers. The Marvo Scorpion K607 arrives in a stylish checkered black and grey box with a gloss image of the product clearly showcased on the front. While the front provides basic information, the back dives into more features, a bit in a small text that might be challenging to read. A QR code is present, though it navigates to the brand's main website instead of the product page. Upon unboxing, you'll find the keyboard snugly wrapped in single-use foam, ensuring it arrives in pristine condition. Accompanying the keyboard is a basic manual and a brand sticker. The keyboard is fitted with a 170cm non-detachable braided style USB Type-A cable, serving as the sole means of connecting it to your computer. Unfortunately, there's no wireless or Bluetooth connectivity options available. Despite its affordable price point, the Marvo keyboard boasts decent build quality with minimal flex when flat, but you will find some flex in the middle of the keyboard when the back feet are engaged for a tilted setup. We found that the anti-slip feet may struggle on shiny wooden surfaces, but they do hold firm on a mouse mat, ensuring a stable gaming experience. The adjustable tilt feet offer a binary choice between tilting or not, with no intermediate setting. The keyboard serves as a great point for a budding gamer or for those in the need of a temporary replacement while transitioning to a higher end keyboard. It could also add value as part of a bundle with a new PC system. The keyboard sports a mixed rainbow backlighting, which, while limited in customization, adds a vibrant touch to your gaming setup. The preset lighting options and brightness controls are straightforward, although the absence of specialized effects or color uniformity might leave enthusiasts wanting more. So we're going to do a comparison sound test now. This is the microphone. It's exactly 20 centimeters away from the top row of keys there. This is a traditional office keyboard, what you've probably used in an office or at home over the years. And this is just to do a sound test so you get a rough idea what each one sounds like in comparison. So let's go to the traditional keyboard. And let's go over to the Marvo keyboard. So let's do QWERTY first. Enter. Spacebar. Right shift. Left shift. 1 through 0. And a full sentence. The Marvo Scorpion K607 is a solid choice for gamers looking for a compact, no-frills keyboard that doesn't compromise on aesthetics. While it may lack on some of the customization and connectivity features found on pricier models, its sleek design and reliable performance makes it a worthy contender in the budget keyboard segment. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.